Hi guys, I'm Lucian and I'm creating a game development course for my free education initiative, rockstart.ai. This is the first course on this platform, and on the first week we are doing an intro, version control, Unity interface and basics, managing scenes, animations. On second week we do UI, physics simulation, sounds, particle systems, a 6 hours coding masterclass, then coding in Unity for another 6 hours, microservices. Third week we are talking about finite state machines, advanced camera handling, debugging, and 4 days of me live coding a Chicken Invaders clone from scratch. On fourth week I will be actually publishing the game to Android and as a web app that you can play directly in your browser. How to work on your resume portfolio, enter communities, work as a freelancer, indie or in a company, and how to adapt to an existing project. We'll do an interview simulation and final assignments and certificates. So the idea started in 2022 and I wanted it to be free. I received a lot of positive feedback, and only in 2024 it crystallized into a free education platform and also an education manifesto, new education. I posted again a lot on Reddit earlier this year, got to survey 24 people, 16 confirmed their presence. Out of those 16, only 2.5 actually showed in the Google Meet on average. And on average on the YouTube stream, 3 of them were present. And I saw some YouTube growth. There's 1 more week to go, and after which I will be focusing on actually building the rockstart.ai platform. Join my initiative either as a teacher or a student at rockstart.ai. And you can also stalk me on Twitter and see what sorts of cool AI-enabled stuff I'm working on. See you around.